Her report date March 11, 2020, with the 55188H of the 2305. Inspecting blocking bracing materials required for the rail movement. Security classification, unclassified distribution, restriction and proof of the public release, distribution, limited check with the nose, foreign disclosure, FD1. Conditions assigned with the cargo, check with the soldier, must inspect with the check and blocking with the blocking bracing material required with the rail movement, with the completed risk assessment, all applicable, the publication form of the record, tool of the material was personal, equipment, with the condition, day or night, with the operational environment, some of the iteration, task shipping form of the MOP 4. Stands on order, the soldier would inspect the blocking and bracing material required with the rail move with the IAW detecting manual 55-2200-0001-12 with the procedure with the specification utilize with the task, no-go with the go or no-go criteria, comply with the written caution on the notice listed for the reference. Soldier must perform the task with 100% compliance without injury or damage of the equipment. Special conditions, safety risk low, MOP 4, sometimes the task statement, the queue with an danger and unwarning modification, have the unauthorized modification, alteration, iteration with the equipment with the prohibited with the violation Army Regulation 750-10 with the authorized modification, alteration, installations could result with the death, injury, damage of the equipment. The high-pressure hydraulic system has with the hydraulics can cause serious injury with the high-pressure lines equipment to fail with the have with the work on hydraulic system equipment unless there is another person nearby with the familiar with the operation have with the equipment who can give the first aid. The second person should stand with the body with control of the turn-off hydraulic pump with an emergency. The technician aid with the operator. The operator must be warned about the dangerous area with the move of the machinery. Have with the be careful to vary. Well, when operating of the working in the move the machinery with the running edge, rotating shaft, the other machinery can cause the personal injury. Electrical have whenever the possible power supply with the equipment shut off before working with the equipment to do not misled with the term low voltage to potential low. The 50 volts may cause the death of the adverse in condition. To be careful to contact with a 115 volt AC with the input connection and so on with the operating with the equipment whenever the nature of the operating permit. The keep one hand away from the equipment to reduce the hazard of the current flowing through the body. Caution none. Remarks none. And notes none. Performance check with the manifest to determine all the vehicles lifted to record with the vehicle not on the unit manifest. 3. Record blocking bracing material of the vehicles over the unit manifest. 4. Compute the blocking by bracing material of the 5. The perform prepare statements. Prepare to all sufficient material for the units required for the control pattern for the blocking bracing material according for the AR rules. 6. Supplement the request for the blocking bracing installation transport ITO or installation transportation officer. If the installation transportation officer submit the request for blocking bracing material shipping act of the responsible supplying agency. Evaluation, guidance, and preparation. Set up the template in accordance with the prescribed preference of the technical manual briefing. The soldier adhere to the safety precautions performing all the tasks listed. Ensure that the required equipment to perform the task is available. Performance measures go or no go are not applicable. 1. Check with the unit manifest to determine the vehicle that were listed. 2. Record the vehicle with the unit manifest. 3. Record blocking and bracing material required with the vehicles in unit with the manifest. 4. Computed blocking and bracing material requirements. 5. Prepare to allow the sufficient amount of the materials if the units required with the construct patterns of the blocking bracing material according to the AR rules. 6. Submitted with the request for the blocking bracing installation transportation officer supporting references to the ATP 335 of the Army deployment, the redeployment of technical manual 55-2200-0001-12 transportation guidance applicable to blocking bracing the tie-down materials of the rail transportation. TADS, non-equipped lines done with the material, non-environmental and safety precautions, and pre-individual tasks, the supporting individual tasks of conducting railroad operations, 5588H2306, supported individual tasks, unsupported collective tasks, knowledge name, know how to identify with and enforce the risk management procedure, control measure, know how to compose with the risk assessment level treatment, know how the risk assessment process, know the basic have of the risk assessment technique, knowledge of the purpose of the risk assessment, with understanding of the risk assessment, knowledge of the computing, blocking, the bracing material, knowledge of the requesting, procedure of the blocking, bracing material, with the knowledge of computerized movement, the planning and assessment of the report, knowledge of the risk assessment procedure, skill, name, and ability to block and brace for the tie-down materials, ability to perform railroading operation, utilize with the computerized movement and planning on the staff report, and ability to conduct railroading operation, compute blocking, bracing material with the request for the blocking and bracing material, ICTL data none. Alright, that's 55188. That's 55188H2305, inspecting blocking, bracing material required for the rail movement.